Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I am going to be reviewing some clip-in hair extensions. I haven't worn extensions for quite a while now. I used to wear them a lot. I used to have tape-ins, I used to do them myself, and clip-ins as well. Before that, I used to wear the nano bonds, and before that I used to wear the micro rings. So yeah, I have been through a lot of extensions in my lifetime, but today I am reviewing some clip-ins, and these are from the company Full Shine. So the packaging of the box is like this. It's actually really nice. This was the postman's fault. They were a bit battered in the post, but the packaging is really lovely. They're 100% human hair, from the company Full Shine, as I said before. These are a website which I will link below, and they do all sorts. Actually, they do tape-ins, they do micro rings. I think they do basically all of them, like wefts, clip-ins, whatever you want, and they do all different types of hair. But yeah, I've got the clip-in one. So these are 18-inch, yeah, 18-inch, and I got the colour 18P613, which I think is like a mixture of two colours. I prefer to get two colours rather than just focusing on the one colour, because I think it blends better and it looks more natural. So inside the box you get this package, so obviously a little button sort of package, and then inside you get your extensions in a net, which is really handy, and there's also some spare clips in there as well. They're really easy to sew on. If you ever need to, you know, re-sew them, they are really easy to do. Right, so then inside we've got the extensions. I think they're going to be all right. They look a bit dark, but I reckon once they're in, now they're going to be all right, aren't they? I think so. Yeah, the hair feels beautiful. It feels really good quality. It's really silky smooth, really soft, shiny, beautiful. It feels quite thick from the root to the tip as well. So there's the ends of the hair there, so the decent quality on the ends. It doesn't start off thick and then go really thin on the ends. Yeah, these actually look like really nice extensions, if I'm honest. Really nice. So in here, I can't remember what the weight, oh, 100 grams. Yeah, it'd be interesting. When I have like tape-ins or anything like that, I normally, because I've got quite thick hair, I normally go for about 200 grams. But yeah, they might be all right because they're wefts, aren't they? So yeah, they're kind of, you know, double drawn. Right, okay. So what I'm going to do is I'll clip off the gold bits from the top, and then we'll have a look at them individually. I believe there's 7 pieces in here, and then we'll pop them in and we'll see what they look like. Right, so there's one of the pieces. It's beautiful. It is really nice. Even with one out, I just wanted to have a look, and they are still thick from root to tip. Sometimes when you get them out individually, they don't look as thick, but they are. It's really beautiful hair. Yeah, and I'd say now, getting them out of the packet, that's pretty much a perfect match. So yeah, they're kind of like a pale blonde, but with ashy tones going through them, which is what I am. So yeah, great. Right, okay, so we'll whack them in and we'll see what they're like when they're in. They are European hair as well. You can get different types of hair. Obviously, you've got Chinese hair, Indian, European, which I think is the same as Brazilian. But yeah, these are European hair. Right, so all I've done is I've run the straighteners over my hair this morning and just popped some serum on the ends as well, because my ends are quite dry and I thought they might stand out otherwise. But what I will do, because they've obviously been in the package, they're a little bit like dented where they've been like folded. So I'll probably straighten them afterwards, but I'm going to pop them in first. So we have 7 pieces, as I say. This one's got 4 clips, and then this one has 3 clips. Oh, we've got another one with 3 on. So we've got 2 3-clip ones. I think this is pretty much standard practice, you know. We've got 2 doubles, Oh no, I tell a lie, we've got 4 doubles. So 1, 4, 2 threes and 4 doubles. I was expecting there to be a couple, there's normally a couple of ones in there, but to be honest, I never use the ones anyway. I think they're a bit useless. So the first thing I'm going to do is just section my hair off. So I'm going to start off with just above the nape of my neck, just here. So I'm just using my nails. You can use like a tail comb or whatever, skewer. Right, so I've just sectioned it off, as I say, just above like the nape of my neck. Let me try and show you. Just there. And then I'm going to take one of the 2 pieces and I'm going to clip it in. Like that. Okay, it's really hard to show you from behind because I can't see what I'm doing. But I'm trying my best. Right, so yeah, I think the colour's going to be all right. Right, so then next I'll let that down. You can back comb them if you, I prefer not to back comb my hair because yeah, I try to keep it as least damage as possible. But obviously if you want to, then you can, and they don't slip or anything, and it's easier to apply them if you do. But yeah, so then I'm going to go from the back of my ears in a line again. And then this time I'll go in with the number 3 one, so the one with 3 clips. Okay, and then repeat again, let my hair down. And then I'm going to go just above my ear this time. And this one I'm going to use the one that's got 4 clips on. Do you know, I don't know if I do this right. This is just how I do it. I don't know if it's exactly the right, you know, positioning, the right way to put them in, but this is certainly how I do it anyway. I just try and gauge when I put them in where the middle is, so where I'm positioning them, just to make sure that they're centered. I just kind of use my hands just to kind of make sure that they are where they should be, really. They're good clips, they're nice and strong. Let the hair down again. Right, so then I'm going to go kind of where my temple is and go round in a line again. And then I've got 3 2s left now, so I think I'm going to do, oh, I see. Right, so you've got basically the last 2 2s are shorter, so we've got 2 short pieces. So what I'll do is I'll put those kind of at the front. So I'm going to use the other, oh no, I've got a 3, oh god, I'm getting confused now. I've got another 2, but it is wider than the other ones, and then I've got a 3. Oh god. Right, so then, come on Claire, I think with this one I'm going to put it more to the side. Start there. Work it around to the back, and then with the other wider 2, so this one, I'm going to try and continue it on from that one. Yeah. Right. Then take the top down. And then I'm going to take, so I've got enough at the back now, so I'm going to take a section from here. And bring it over. Ow. I'll just clip that there. And then I'll put this one in here. Flop that bit over. And then on this side, I'll do the same. Flop it back over. What's going on here? And then they're all in. So now all I need to do is just kind of very gently brush it. I'm being extremely gentle when I'm brushing it here, because obviously I don't want to yank them out. Oh, do you know what? That's not a bad match at all. I'd say that's pretty much spot on. Right, okay, so I'll show you them from the back. I'll try and angle the camera so you can see a bit better. So this is what they look like from the front. I will just straighten the join here so it kind of blends a bit better. Yeah, but apart from that, they're not bad at all, are they? They match really quite well. To be honest, I probably wouldn't have them straight. I'd probably curl them. But obviously with it being human hair, you can do that. I'll just show you from the back as well. So that's how they're looking from the back. Yeah, I'm not going to straighten them in today's video. I'm not going to curl them in today's video. Yeah, but what I'll do is I will wear these often. So you will obviously see them curled in future videos. But no, apart from that, I'm actually really, really happy with them. Really happy with them. And as I said, there's only 100 grams, but it's obviously really good quality, like thick hair, because yeah, they don't look thin at all. They look like I've got plenty of volume in there. So they come down, if I just bring it round, that's where they come to. So kind of just under the boobs. These are 18 inches. And then from the back, they come down to there. For me, I normally do go for 18-inch ones because I just think that's a decent length for me. I've had, believe me, I've had 22 in the past when I was younger. But yeah, I think 18 is a nice length. It's kind of like the perfect length, I think. Yeah, so overall, I think that these are great extensions and I would highly recommend them. As I said before, I'll pop a link down below if you want to check them out for yourself. But apart from that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby.